Hi, I'm Steph, and this is Kate. We're from Calibrate Studio. So today we're gonna go through some deep core activation exercises, and what we're gonna do today is the dead bug. So for variation 1, we're gonna put the band around her feet. So around the soles of the feet. And once Kate has got the band there, she's gonna get into her starting position. So as you can see here, beautiful angle. She's got a 90-degree angle. Her feet are flexed. Ankles are in line with her knees, and her knees are directly over her hips. To begin with, I want her hands to come straight up into the air, and they're just gonna stay in front of her shoulders. So from here, you can see Kate's got her hands into fists. She's driving her shoulder blades down to the floor, retracting her shoulder blades as she does it. Her belly button is drawn towards her spine, and she still maintains that natural curvature, but it's not an excessive curvature. She wants to compress this abdominal space. Meanwhile, she's got beautiful 90-degree angles here. Her feet are active and her knees are staying put. She's gonna straighten out her right leg, and as she kicks that band apart, she's actively pulling this in to make sure she keeps that nice distance between the two. And then she's gonna change sides, keeping that distance once again. Now, one thing when you're doing this, not only are you pulling it that way, but you wanna make sure your feet stay hip width apart as well, so she's actively pulling her feet apart. And change, just one more on each side, keeping that really strong position through the upper body as well. Holding that there. To make it harder, she can kick a little lower, trying to go close to the floor without actually touching the floor though, coming back up. And when you do go lower, closer to the floor, and other side, last one, you actually really want to make sure you squeeze that bum cheek. So whichever leg is straightening up, her quad is active, her bum is active, she's starting to shake, and she's gonna come back up and relax. Nice, so for variation 2, we're gonna add in the second band. She's gonna place this one around her wrist this time. So instead of just making fists, she's gonna work hard to pull the band apart now as she continually drives her shoulder blades back into the floor. She brings her feet back into that same position. Again, nice neutral spine, but active through that lower part, pushing the belly button down. Rib cage is not flaring up. She's actually trying to glue her rib cage down to the floor. She's gonna do the same thing, but now she's got her arms involved. As she kicks one leg out, she's gonna straighten out. Now, because Kate is advanced, I'm gonna get her kicking down a little lower, really squeezing that right side butt cheek here, holding there. She is really enjoying this, coming back in and onto the other side. After she does this one on this side, I'm gonna show you the faster transition, which is also the progressed version of this. She comes back in. Now she kicks her right leg straight. As she changes to the other side after her 1, 2, 3 second hold, she's gonna swap at the same time. There we go. And she's lucky she's got her flex feet here, because otherwise that band would snap into my face. Good. And come back in and relax. And that's it for today. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that.
Thanks, guys.